Good evening, everybody. Happy New Week, guys. What I really want to say is, first of all, Joy. Concerning what I said about your baby, because you're saying I'm not letting you rest. I don't want to give you peace. You are the one that don't want to give yourself peace. You are the one that don't want to give yourself peace. I know they follow you drag anything. But what I'm saying is, when I'm talking to David, you do not have any right to utter a word. When I'm stoning him or doing it, if I have a slap and a beat him, you don't have any right to interfere. I don't care if you went to pay for your head or anything, but you don't have any right to interfere when I'm talking to him. Do you get it? Concerning your baby's parts, all I said was you would lose your child. I did not tell you that I will kill your child. Where in that statement did I say I will kill your child? Because Lemon is shouting. I say, maybe say she go kill my child. Maybe they swear for my unborn child. I would swear because you are the first to insult my own child. The child is not alive, but you don't have any right to bring up my dead child when you're talking. When you're talking about my dead, you don't have that right. Because I don't understand what you and David are doing. Are you using the child to mock me or what? Like, why would you guys be any little thing? Now, me say me, you know, if you carry picking any little thing, is it me that say you should not be able to carry a child? Why would you tell me is it you that caused it that I'm unable to carry a child? Which is why I said God will punish you. And I told you, see that child that is doing you, you will lose it. But I did not tell you that I will kill your child. Do you get it? You see all this shout that you're shouting? You are drinking it. It's too early for your baby. You go do now. If anything happens to your picking, go come outside the toxin and marry kill your picking. I'm not a witchcraft though. I'm not a witch. Do you understand me? I'm not a witch. The child did not do anything to me. But the moment you bring up my own innocent dead child, that was where we will have problem. Do you understand? Mine did not do anything to you. Neither did yours do anything to me. So respect my own. Let me respect your own. Then we will not have issues. At all. We will not have issues. All this one that we are coming outside, we are shouting, we are dragging. The only reason why I insult you when I'm talking to your husband is when you interfere. You don't need to interfere. You don't have the rights. You don't have the rights to interfere when I'm talking to him. And I will continue calling you a secretary because that is what you are. To me, you're just a mere secretary. You are just a mere secretary. But me, I am making it clear to you. I am not here to fight for your husband. You say my leg, they scratch me. My leg no, they scratch me. When I begged David, when he wanted to sign the divorce paper before, was because I wanted to work things out. I have pleaded and pleaded and pleaded, but he didn't listen. If I had known that you were the reason behind him not responding to me, wallahi ta'ala, I swear to God who made me, I would not beg him. I would not beg him. Because obviously both of you saw me as a fool. You saw me as a fool. You guys planned it and you brought yourself inside. Obviously you've been looking for a way to enter me since. That's why when you entered, immediately the second day you have started shouting at me, pointing finger, telling me you are respecting or you don't want to do anything because of David. You are a liar. You don't want to do anything because of who? I do not care when your relationship started. I do not care. I do not care. But see all those things you're saying online, as if you have the right to talk to me. You don't have the right though. And why you are able to do all this rubbish is because I'm a calm person. If it was another woman, more bearder. That is why you and David are able to rub my face on the ground. If now another woman, they no born you well. Me, I'm telling you, they don't born you. Me, I just talk my own as they pay me. I want to talk and I don't finish. I know sabi carry person for mind. He don't finish. I will tell you boha. You are now telling, you are saying, now that you came, that's when I know I want him to come and sign. I want him to come. Excuse you. If I want to dissolve your marriage, I can do it. Have you forgotten that I was the one that went to submit the divorce paper in court? Have you forgotten I was the one that signed? I can actually disband it. I can go to court and tell them I am no longer signing for a divorce because he's not yet to sign. I can equally dissolve it if I want to. But to prove to you that I am not here for your baby husband. Do you understand? So the one shame, if you're doing anything, use your head. And do not come talking to me like me and you, we are in the same class. We are not in the same class and we would never be. You see me as I am like this. I be makereo. I know say I small. But I am small but mighty. I am small but mighty. You see all those things that you're going to TikTok to do. You are insulting me. You are dragging my name. When I am live on TikTok, I still tell people not to insult you. Now, be me at a mature pass you be that. What I'm saying, now picking still they do you. Share. Because if you have any regard for your husband, you will not go on TikTok to start saying, be talking, be running your mouth, stop. I never said I would kill your baby. Don't get me wrong. But whatever I said, I take it back. Nothing will happen to your child. You people will be safe. You will deliver safe and sound. But my own is, please, since it's the love of your life, you are the love of his life, help me beg him to sign. I do not mind anything that the court says. If they like, they should not give me property. Help me beg him. You should just let him just sign. Here we go. Oh, Biko no. Abi no be an to speak and Biko. No. Oh, Joe. Oh no, but tell him to sign. Let him just sign. Let me go. Thank you.